Folding phones are no longer science fiction. They're the future in your pocket. Today, we're unveiling 2025's most mind-blowing foldables, packed with AI brains, powerhouse cameras, and designs that'll stop you mid-scroll. Ready to see which phone folds your expectations in half? Kicking things off, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and this beast is pure innovation. With a seamless 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED main display and a 6.2-inch cover screen, it delivers a near-tablet experience that still slides into your jeans. You're getting 512 gigabytes of storage, lightning-fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance, and an upgraded hinge that's slimmer, stronger, and smoother. But what really steals the show? AI. The new Circle to Search feature lets you highlight anything on screen and instantly get AI-powered results. Hands-free live interpreter translates conversations in real time, like magic for travelers and global pros. Add in AI photo editing that fixes shadows, reflections, and even facial expressions with a tap. You're holding a creative studio in your hands. Grab the Galaxy Z Fold 6 using the link in the description below. Google joins the Fold party with elegance and AI brilliance. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold brings a 7.9-inch OLED inner display and a refined outer display that's larger and smoother than its predecessor. Its Tensor G4 chip is built with AI at its core. Everything from voice typing to real-time language translation works smarter and faster. Photography? Off the charts. With a 50-megapixel main lens and Google's signature computational photography, expect night shots that feel like daylight and portraits that pop. There's even an AI wallpaper generator that personalizes your UI based on your vibe. And thanks to Pixel-exclusive software updates, it just keeps getting smarter over time. Want Google's smartest foldable? Links in the description. For those who want power in your palm, meet the Galaxy Z Flip 6. This clamshell foldable features a 3.9-inch flex window cover display that actually lets you reply to texts, check maps, or snap selfies without opening the phone. Inside, a smooth 6.7-inch 120 Hz AMOLED screen and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 deliver buttery smooth performance. The new dual camera system brings sharper low-light photos, and enhanced flex mode lets you stand the phone up to take hands-free selfies or video calls. And yes, it's still one of the most pocketable flagships out there. Fancy the flip life? Hit the description for the purchase link. The Motorola Razr Ultra is back, and it's bolder. It features a massive 4-inch cover screen that's basically a mini phone in itself. Play games, check full emails, stream videos, you name it, no need to flip open. The main 6.9-inch POLD display unfolds with near zero crease and vibrant clarity. Motorola's AI tricks include smart reply predictions, intelligent gesture controls, and voice-enhanced search. With a dual camera setup and durable build, this phone merges throwback cool with futuristic performance. And yeah, it still snaps shut with that satisfying Razr feel. Want a blast from the past with 2025 tech? Links below. OnePlus enters the fold arena swinging. The OnePlus Open flaunts a 7.8-inch main screen and a crisp 6.3-inch cover screen, both AMOLED with 120 Hz refresh. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Oxygen OS Fold Edition, which means it's fast, fluid, and custom designed for multitasking. What really stands out is the triple camera setup co-developed with Hasselblad. 50-megapixel wide, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and 64-megapixel telephoto. The Open's hinge, featherweight and nearly invisible, reducing bulk while still being sturdy. Add in blazing fast charging and top-tier speakers, and you've got a foldable built for power users. Thinking of opening up to something new? Hit the link in the description. Whether it's Samsung's AI marvels, Google's brainy design, or OnePlus Bold debut, these foldables are more than phones. They're the smartest companions of 2025. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon.